In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt tensioner on this GMC Yukon. It's in the front of the motor. Let's get into it. We're going to loosen up this worm clamp right here using an 8mm socket. At the throttle body, we're going to loosen up this worm clamp, same 8mm socket. Now we're going to pop these hoses off. Just push on the bottom. There's a release. Slide that off. You're going to do the same on the other side. This side, it's on the top. Just push it down. Slide it off. Now just grab the snorkel. Rock it a little bit. Slide it off the throttle body. Now slide the tube off the airbox. And it slides right out. Now using a serpentine belt tool, you want to use a 1/2-inch drive, or you can use a ratchet. Take the tension off the belt. You can then slide it off the alternator. And you can loosen up the tensioner. Slide that off the tensioner. Slide it off the crank pulley and off the water pump. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to take this bolt out and slide the tensioner out. On the tensioner, there is a guide dowel. You want to line that up with where the hole is. And then take the bolt and get that started and snug it down. We're going to torque this to 43 foot-pounds. Now we're going to install the serpentine belt. This only goes on one way. You're going to start by putting it over the crank pulley down below. Then we're going to go around the tensioner pulley. You're going to have to go on the back side of the tensioner pulley. So you fold it to the side right here, like that. And then we're going to go around the water pump. With the belt like that. You should be able to almost get it to the alternator. Then you're going to need your tensioner tool. Take the tension off the tensioner. Then you can put the belt around the alternator. Then loosen up the tensioner. And double check, make sure it goes around all the pulleys correct. And you're all set. Looks good. Now slide the snorkel in place over the throttle body, over the airbox. Now we'll tighten those down. Tighten down the worm clamps. And push the hoses on. Lock it down. Do that to both sides.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.